Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video marks the beginning of the week number 56 in this road to 100k realized return challenge, and markets have opened the trading day slightly on the downside here. However, by contrast to buck the trend against the usual suspects, which are the SP 500 and the Nasdaq. Uh, Always in counter cycle, the IWM has been going up, slightly up today, and that means that the puts that we sold with a strike price of 226 are now with a lower value. We sold 12 contracts, we sold 12 calls. Here, as you can see, 9 plus 3 at 23 cents. So we managed to collect overall $276 here. And as things stands at the moment, these puts are now at 8 cents. So because of that, I've already input an order to buy back these puts at 1 cent. Once they hit 1 cent, they will be bought back, so that we can then roll over to another contracts, most likely on the QQQ. However, because we had exactly the money we needed, and I'm going to show you here, we had exactly around 7,300. We had, in dollars, we had around 7,600 $7,600 left in buying power, even though it's, for some reason it is not showing in here. We decided it was not worth it to pursue other less volatile ETFs, because at the moment, if we do that, we will have to be committed to those ETFs until the end of the week, and we will not be able to have the exposure that we wanted to the ARKK by around midweek until the end of the week. And so we just went ahead and sold a put contract with a $73 strike price. At the time the trade was filled, the probability of profit was around 86%. We received 39 cents in premium. It can be seen right here. Yeah, 39 cents here. And if this expired worthless, it's going to give us a profitability of 47 point, a return of 47.79% if we let it expire worthless at the end of the week. Keep in mind, we don't know if we are going to buy it back, but given the volatility of this stock, it will not be for sure at 1 cent before expiration. So might as well leave it and let it expire without value, and for sure this return will be achieved on this money, on these $7,300 that we managed to allocate as collateral. And as you can see here, the premiums are not that great on the IWM because, as I mentioned, we received 23 cents in premium, but the probability of profit was just 80%. So for the distance between or for the implied volatility that we had, we are not getting too much premium, and so yeah, it's basically what the market conditions are providing to us. So there's nothing we can do. For the ARKK, since we sold this put, the stock came down somewhat, and so that led to an appreciation of the of the put. But now here, yeah, it's within the same range at which we bought the share. So as you can see, the bid-ask spread is a little bit wider. So these stocks are these options are a little bit less liquid. But yeah, there's nothing we can do now. We are still quite some way off the strike price. If we do the calculation in here, 73 and divided by 76.50, if I'm not mistaken, this is where more or less the price is at the moment. Yes, it's 76.57. So yeah, this means that the stock would have to come down by around 4.6% over a week, which is completely feasible, keep in mind. But yeah, we are still some way off the strike, and so yeah, we'll just wait. And even if we get a sign, then we'll be able to collect more premium on the calls, because usually the calls have more premium than the puts. Yeah, and so far this is it. The thumbnail today will not have any changes in the realized values, in the realized profits or realized returns, because of the activity statement does not update the trades that we managed to do today when they are closed. So it's going to be a snapshot of the middle of the trading session, which is basically the same status quo as on Friday. And so when the positions were Friday at the close, so nothing changes in terms of realized positions, and so most likely the realized returns will be the same. So no changes in the thumbnail, but so far this is it. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section down below. I'm also available on LinkedIn in case you need to ask me any questions, and of course feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we'll reconvene at the end of the week to see how the trades played out. Yeah, and I'll see you there.